Alright, we're ready to see LeBron do some spectacular stuff on 2K. Yeah, And we're going, and we... Oh, shit. And let's see that one more time. And we're going backwards, going backwards, going backwards, up. And here we are. Ooh. Up.
That motorcycle.
And let's speed it up. Up. And back again. And slow motion. And who wants to see LeBron bust his ass?
Oh, hell no. If that thing go all the way back there for...
Well, seems that we are having technical difficulties. So, I will be back to you for another episode of LeBron busting his ass.